Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to purchase games on the PlayStation 5 using a credit card when the purchase doesn't go through. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. If you're having problems using a credit card on your PlayStation 5 to buy PlayStation 5 games, the first thing we should go ahead and do is go up to settings right here and select this option. Then go on down to users and accounts. Then scroll on down to other. And simply go to restore licenses right here. This says restore licenses for downloaded content you can't use. Just go ahead and just select restore and then go back to the PlayStation Store and see if that would work. Now the next thing we want to do is go up to account. Then go over to payment and subscriptions to manage your payment methods and subscriptions. Then go to payment methods right on top right here. And select your credit card and simply just remove it and then re-add it to this list. Now you can choose credit card / debit card to the left of this and just add it back quickly. Then go to add funds to your wallet right here. And let's say we're buying a $70 PlayStation game. And we want to go ahead and buy the game. Well, there's going to be included sales tax. So sales tax for me is about 5%. So I would want to go to 60 right here and purchase that. Then I would want to come back in here and do $10 and then come back in here a third time and do $5. So I would have a total of $75 in my wallet to go ahead and buy that game. So you can add funds to your wallet and then go to the PlayStation Store and buy the game. Now you'll have like a buck or two left over. Well, that's just going to be convert it over to your current wallet balance, and you can use this for PlayStation purchases in the future, so it's not going anywhere. Also, if you back out of here and go to account and then go down to address, you can change your address on here. Maybe your current address for the postal code isn't aligned with what's on your credit card, and that's one reason it's not working. Otherwise, you could try changing the postal code to like Alaska or something and just type in 99703 and just get an Alaskan area code. Now, there's some states that do not have any sales tax on it, so you could go ahead and try that. Now, if you're really having problems, you could go to a website or the PlayStation app on your phone. Just type in PlayStation.com, just like this. Press enter. Then sign in with your email address and password right here. Let's do that now. Now, once you're signed in, if you did add something to the PlayStation cart, it should show up immediately right here. So you can just select your cart. And then add like a payment method right here, and you should be able to check out. And the nice thing is you can see the sales tax right on top. If you want to add another payment method, you can go to your little picture right here and select this and go to payment management and simply add a payment method, or you can add funds right here as well. Now to get to the shop, just on the home screen here of the PlayStation website, just simply go to shop and you go to buy PS5 games, etc., or whatever you want to buy. Then just go ahead and select the game and add it to your checkout cart. So here's Demon's Souls right here. I can just go ahead and simply add it to my cart like I would on my PlayStation, or I can cart it right here and come back to it at another time by adding it to my wish list. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.